Preview.
Besides the Buriganga River, Government Shahid Suhrawardy College is placed. It's established at 1949. The whole educational activities run with the total 3 buildings. More than 12,000 students are studying presently. The 6-point movement sculpture. It is the first sculpture about the great 6-point movement in the history of Bangladesh. This movement was spearheaded by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, which called for a greater autonomy for East Pakistan. Its students are playing a vital role in many places. Since 2017, it is affiliated with Dhaka University. There are many extracurricular activities are practicing regularly here. It offers AHSAN, bachelor's and master's degrees, moreover. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz. Soon we'll come back with another new video.